Today I'm styling a store. It's a very special day because it comes only once in 3 or 4 months. It's 6:30 a.m. and we have a 24-foot truck full of furniture and goodies that is going to be right here in some time. And there it is. And the reason why I'm here so early is because a 24-footer is going to have at least 500 pieces of small and big things, and if you don't control the chaos right when it starts, it's going to get out of hand. So it needs a plan and some mental workout to figure that this happens quickly and efficiently. This is how the main floor of the store looks. While the truck is unloading a few things, I need to move things out of the place because in the main space, I want most of the new things to be displayed. A lot of things have been removed already, and by the time the things have been unloaded and unpacked, I want to make sure that most of it is figured out or stashed somewhere else so that I can put the bigger pieces out. The first piece is coming out. You can see the store owner is supervising the unloading. And we're just about scratching the surface. This is the Bangalore Hunts store in Sanjay Nagar, Bangalore. And introducing you to the store owner, Vandana, who's over enthusiastic now. And this is probably the second piece that came out. And she wants to open it and see what. We have a small army of helpers. But unless everybody pitches in and does exactly what needs to be done in the sequence, it's going to be chaotic. Oh, this is a beautiful piece of mirror that came out of that first package. So many more to go. I am a hands-on person. So here I am clearing all the small things off from the main floor. This is the view that you would see as soon as you get into the store door. It is now 8:10 a.m. and we've almost unloaded half the truck. Next is to start opening these beauties. The small things are going in directly. The bigger pieces are outside. The plan is to open the big pieces, QC it, and take it inside and put it where it belongs. I gave myself 30 minutes and to see how much I can open in 30 minutes. And this is the video of me opening one piece at a time. And then when you're opening something, it's very contagious, so other people come and join in. Also, when you have so many pieces, there's going to be a lot of packaging material that comes out. That has to be again assessed, folded, kept inside. So it's going to be a full day's work. On a job site, when work is going on, I don't want any idle hands. I want everybody doing something. So here they're unloading, somebody is managing garbage, somebody is opening. So a whole lot of activities happening simultaneously. Here is what 30 minutes of opening resulted in. Oh, that's a gorgeous piece. And that's another gorgeous piece. And there's a little pet feeder. I think it's damn cute. Somebody has to buy it, or I'll get a dog just to buy a pet feeder. That's a lovely cupboard. Then we have another cabinet, another trunk. This is a beautiful teakwood chest of drawers. And then we have another cabinet. We did quite well for 30 minutes. And one piece that I already sent, 2 pieces that I already sent in. This is going to be my first piece that's going to go in. I'm already sweaty with all the physical work, but it's fun. Time to put the first piece in place. At some point, I'm going to run out of fizz and stop recording and only focus on work. Until then, let's see what's going on. It is now 9:40 a.m. and we've done quite a bit. I'm going to hand it over to my little friend to give us a tour of the truck. we've demolished quite a bit. I think these are the last couple of pieces that we have. We did really well in unloading this truck. I think we started around 7, and for 2 hours and 40 minutes we've done really well. While some pieces are still being unpacked, let's go inside and take a look at what's happening. Some of the pieces are already in and in its place. I told you about all the small things going in first, so these are all the small things in this room. Apart from the main floor, we have a first floor and then we have a basement. It's a lovely stone-clad building, and on the first floor, we don't have any heavy furniture. So it's mostly going to be small pieces. You can see, oh my goodness, that is a lot of things to deal with. So once the truck is unloaded fully, we are going to get on to starting to open everything. Again, the first floor or the main floor is going to be starting out first, where we'll open all the things first in the main floor, try and set it up or move them, and then come to the first floor. I have these small alcoves and the arched window that has a little ledge, and I most definitely plan to keep things on that ledge as well. Down on the basement, you can see we don't have a lot of things here, but yeah, we do have few things that's come down. I have this entire area that's shelved, so the idea for me is to put a lot of small things there and then have like a reading corner or something like that. This piece I loved so much. It can actually be used like a halo. You can put it behind a chair and make it into your halo. Let's try that out. I have a halo. It is now 1:20 p.m. and quite a bit of work got done. All of the things that have to be inside are in. All of the things that have to be in their places is in. That's the main floor. We've managed to get rid of all of the packets, open them up and put them in places, or at least put them in one place. So this chaos is somehow controlled. The wall galleries have to be created. You can see some beautiful teakwood cabinets, all in its place. The basement is still all chaos. Things getting opened. The first floor, most of the things are opened. You can see a ton of things here, unpacked and just placed. There are a few things to be opened which will only get done once the rest of the stuff goes in. We've got some lovely marble platters. It is now 3:30 p.m. 9 hours from when we started. The main floor sort of looks good. The big things are in place. Some of the small things are here. Still, a lot of things have to be placed. The smaller things have to be styled. And it's going to take at least another 2 full days of work to be completely set up with all additional textile to add pops of colors. Fill up the cabinets with things. We have a lot of brass things that have come in, so a lot of those will go into cabinets, and things will come up on surfaces, and then the galleries will be done. I think I'm going to call it a day. By the time I finish this video and wrap up, it's going to be a good 10-hour work day. Do let me know if you enjoy these kind of videos, very raw, where I'm just shooting in the middle of the work and showing you behind the scenes of how life pans out. And also let me know if you would want me to shoot a part 2 of the fully finished store where I've styled everything. Everything is in place and looking good for shoppers to come and shop. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.